Welcome back. Again, I am going to share you for any Android locking how to unlock any Android phone sitting at home. So there are lots of complaints is coming. So in today's video, I am tell you, I am sharing you some simple steps unlocking unique tricks with unique tips that you can unlock your phone sitting at home without going to any service center. Just you have to follow some simple step with me and you can unlock your Android phone. And you watch this video completely without a skip video, then you will able to understand how to unlock your phone, and you can know very well this process. So friend, in this method, this is called offline method. Make sure your handset must be in flight mode or aeroplane mode. Now another thing, after sliding, now you can see the interface area. This handset is locked by pattern. Similarly, your handset will be locked by pin pattern, anything. So you can see emergency calls button is given, and now you can apply with me this code, and 100% your handset will be unlocked. Apply this code star hash 966552088 star 899 and hash, and press call button 5 times and 5. After completing this process, erase all the numbers this code and apply this code star hash 899 and hash. Engineer mode page is open and there are so many options is coming. Now you can press after sales device calibration, confirm here, and second thing, software version you have to check. Android version is 12. So press 12 time here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. After completing this process, come back and go in the manual test. Second row device debugging page, and now you have to press on sensor self test and calibration. Please place your urgently. Anyway, now you check gyroscope and accelerometer both are not started. So first we have to press on the both option, and now you can see text passed. Gyroscope is passed, accelerometer text failed, error 2, no issue. Come back from here, and the last option and the last process is others option. After sliding this, now you can see others option. There are 4 5 option is given on a screen. So press rewrite important log test and press confirm here, and wrong password. Now you can see wrong password is showing. Now it's time to come back from this all the after completing all this process. Now it's time to press home button and we will see our phone is unlocked or not. So press home button. So friend, our phone is unlocked and without loss of any data or application. I hope you will like this video, and you like this video, please subscribe our channel. We will see you in next video.